Ever picked up your phone and wondered why it feels like it just ran a marathon? We've all been there. Today, we're diving into the mystery of why your phone gets so toasty. It's not always a bad sign, but understanding the reasons can help you keep your device cool and happy. First up, let's talk about those power-hungry apps and games. When you're deep into a high-graphic game or using intensive editing software, your phone's processor is working overtime. This extra effort generates a lot of heat, just like your muscles warm up during a workout. The harder it works, the hotter it gets. Next, your charging habits play a big role. Fast charging, while convenient, can make your phone quite warm. And if you're using it while it's fast charging, even warmer. Also, an older battery that's losing its capacity has to work harder to keep your phone powered, which, you guessed it, means more heat. Believe it or not, having too many apps open in the background can also heat things up. Even if you're not actively using them, many apps are still working, refreshing, and using your phone's resources. This constant background activity keeps the processor busy and generates cumulative heat, slowly warming your device. Your phone's surroundings are super important. Leaving it in direct sunlight, like on a car dashboard or even under your pillow, can trap heat and make it much hotter. Phones are designed to operate within certain temperature ranges, and extreme external heat prevents them from cooling down naturally. Finally, don't rule out software issues. A rogue app with a bug or a system glitch can sometimes send your phone's processor into overdrive, causing it to heat up unnecessarily. Also, during major software updates, your phone is working extra hard to install new files, which can temporarily increase its temperature. So, there you have it. From intense gaming to charging habits and even the sun, many factors can turn your phone into a hot potato. Understanding these helps you keep your device cool and extend its life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more cool tech tips.